सबसे पहले जो उनका लंदन प्रीमियर था उस पे उन्होंने एक बहुत खूबसूरत, मेरे ख्याल से, बलोची शलवार, tunic with a very well constructed corset and lots of jewelry, a bubble braid. What do you have to say about the look? ये ना कहिएगा कि मैंने देखी नहीं, मुझे याद
मैंने
नहीं।
बिल्कुल देखी with the belt and
हाँ,
everything, right? वो जो
हाँ,
embroidered belt था and all
हाँ।
of those details.
अच्छा, इससे पहले कि आप कुछ
I
कहें,
love the
वेट वेट, इससे
हाँ
पहले कि ये कुछ भी कहें, मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि ह्यूज लॉट्स ऑफ लव फॉर दनानीर। उनका ये फिल्म डेब्यू था, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से अपनी प्रमोशंस की सारी। एंड व्हाट आई लव्ड अबाउट ऑल हर वार्डरोब चॉइसेस वर शी वाज मेथड ड्रेसिंग। उनके हर आउटफिट में इट वाज वेल थॉट आउट। हम हमेशा ये कहते हैं कि जी लास्ट मिनट क्यों होती हैं ये चीज़ें, उनका हर आउटफिट बहुत वेल थॉट आउट था। उसमें कोई ना कोई लियारी या फुटबॉल से रिलेटेड या स्पोर्ट रिलेटेड कोई ना कोई डिटेलिंग थी या उनकी फिल्म से रिलेटेड, so I really really appreciate that. But today we're going to talk about how it looked. Over
yes.
to you.
Lots and lots of love for Danani, of course. From Party Ho Rahi Hai to big screen, you know, that's a
Absolutely.
huge achievement.
Huge achievement.
From
यहाँ party हो रही है। यहाँ party हो रही है।
इसका क्या इसका
anyways.
Yeah, I
so,
love how you give the editor things to work with. ये जरा करें hair flip दोबारा.
ये खुद ही हुआ है, मैंने दिया
ठीक
नहीं है, ये
ठीक
just
है.
happened naturally.
Okay, okay.
बाद में समझाऊंगा ये क्या था.
Okay then. ठीक है.
लोग समझदार हैं बहुत, नीचे लिखेंगे कमेंट में, अभी देखिएगा आप. अच्छा तो
Okay.
आमना मेरा क्यों दुश्मन बनाना चाहती हैं लोगों को?
ताबिश, अल्लाह की कसम, मैंने आपको कुछ भी नहीं कहा. मैंने आपको सिर्फ ये कहा है कि लेट्स कमेंट ऑन दनानीज लुक्स.
हाँ.
तो जो पहली लुक थी उनकी
शलवार
at
की
the London
शलवार
premiere.
बलोची शलवार and the short kameez and the belt which was very beautifully embroidered and all of that. I feel the fabric could have been better. मुझे लगता है वो बहुत मोटा fabric था.
Okay.
हाँ, but I think overall she looked good. But
I think
nothing to
she
be
looked-
wow about.
No, I think it was really good. I
मुझे
disagree.
बस I like the shalwar on its own. Maybe instead of the, I think the kurta, the waist, singed waist. I think there was something very disturbing about the look. But I like the belt a lot. So उसमें जो detailing थी, that was very nice. I love the shalwar on its own. There was something very disturbing in the entire look. And then the bubble ponytail, and then the rings, and then one needs to know where to stop.
That I completely agree with.
You know, there was too much happening. And then Danani's personality herself. And then the way she talks. And the way she gives her opinion. That is amazing, you know. I think one needs to know where to stop. I think it should have been a little more effortless. It was too much effort in a lot of things. Overpowering personality, then overpowering silhouette, then overpowering styling details, you know. Side part है और you know the panjangla and the choker and the nails and the ball earrings and the liner and the lashes and one two three. किधर नज़र किधर रुके, जूती पे रुके, शलवार पे रुके, कमीज पे रुके, बेल्ट पे रुके, हाथों पे रुके, उंगलियों पे रुके, ज़बान पे रुके, आँखों पे रुके, बाल पे रुके, किस पे रुके? रुक नहीं पा रहा ना कहीं पे भी. अगर आप ऊपर से नीचे तक एक पर्सनैलिटी को देखते हैं जब, इट्स पॉजिटिव क्रिटिसिज्म. प्लीज डोंट टेक दिस नेगेटिवली. इफ यू आर नेगेटिव यू विल टेक इट नेगेटिवली. इफ यू आर नॉट, then all the best. Okay, but I think where to stop is the whole idea. You know, look at the gloss. Was this gloss needed? Was this lash needed? Was this pink eye makeup needed? Was the hair looking good? Certainly tied nicely, but the hair color is looking like some brassy coppery type. सस्ता सा लग रहा है कुछ hair color. अच्छा, फिर अंगूठियाँ, तो फिर पंजांगले, तो फिर इसको ये, if they call this styling, then I really doubt what is styling. For you, is this styling?
अच्छा ठीक है. No, I have a different perspective on this.
Of
My
course.
perspective is that Dananeer is young. She's 22, 23-year-old. She's young, vivacious. This is her film debut. She's put together a really well thought out look. I personally love the hair. I love the bubble pony.
मुझे भी
I love
I
the
never
Teddy.
said that मुझे पोनी
मुझे
बबल
भी
पोनी
बोल
टेल
लेते ना,
बुरी
आपने
लगी है.
बोल लिया ना.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा
बोल, डिबेट
डिफेंस में
नहीं
तो
है.
आऊंगा ना.
नहीं, मेरे पे अटैक ना करें.
हाँ.
मेरा ये है कि I love the hair. I love the makeup. I think her face looked beautiful. I do think the jewelry was too much. कानों में भी है, गले में भी है, हाथ में भी है. कुछ एक दो चीज नहीं होती. बिल्कुल सही है, कम होता. I
आई थिंक ये
love.
चोकर उतार देती, ये
हाँ,
चोकर छोड़ दे, निकलने से
देती.
पहले ही चोकर उतार देती. और आई थिंक ये नाखून तो बिल्कुल ना करती, नाखून
नाखून
तो
ना
काट
करती.
काट लेती
हाँ, मतलब
बिल्कुल
नाखूनों
छोटे
पे
छोटे.
लयारी लिखना इतनी भी जो है ना लिटरल मेथड ड्रेसिंग नहीं होनी
हाँ,
चाहिए.
लिटरल मेथड ड्रेसिंग
There
है
has to be
एक्चुअली.
some kind of
इट
symbolism,
हैज देयर हैज
yes.
टू बी इंस्पिरेशन. मतलब फुटबॉल के लिए कानों में फुटबॉल पहन ली है उन्होंने.
ऐसा ही है.
It's so literal. It is so
हाँ.
literal. As much as I love Danani, there's nothing wrong with her, of course. She's very beautiful. She's
There was
articulate.
too
She's
much. There was too much of
too
it.
much.
Too
I
much
think
of it.
where to stop is the whole idea of a good styling or a good look.
But
I think the
I
belt
actually
was
liked.
enough for this entire silhouette.
हाँ, I think the
I
bed should
think
have been the focus.
yeah.
And वहीं पे रुक जाते.
I think yeah.
एक दो और flattering सी accessories होती, but not
कुछ कान में
overwhelming.
होता या पंजांगला था तो that
हाँ,
was
हाँ,
enough.
हाँ,
I
हाँ.
think where to stop is the old. Please don't आप offend ना होइएगा अगर आप लोग सुन रहे हैं और आप लोग को अच्छी लगी. मुझे भी look अच्छी लगी. There's nothing wrong in it. मुझे अच्छा लगा कि हमारे craft को, हमारे कल्चर को और बलोच कल्चर को इतना प्रमोट किया
Absolutely.
गया, which is very very fantastic and I absolutely love it. But I think where to stop in styling is the whole idea.
And this is a critique on the style and the fashion, not on the sentiment behind it.
Sentiment
We
behind it.
appreciate the sentiment.
बिल्कुल.
So बहुत सारी looks थी, बहुत सारी symbolic looks थी. मेरे इंटरव्यू पे जब दनानी आई तो she was wearing a yellow top, जो कि
I
signet.
love her personality. I love her
हाँ.
vibrancy. I love her freshness. I love her. I'm so glad that so young, such a young girl is doing a film,
Yeah.
which is really, really amazing.
Yeah. तो उन्होंने ये cigarette buds का हुआ हुआ, it's like cigarette leather से बने हुआ top पहना था for my interview. Nice, simple. I mean, it was kind of like, she asked me, kind of gives me the icks, but I'm sure it's been processed and everything, so yeah.
Hi.
हाँ,
I बहुत disturbing है.
ना थोड़ा सा disturbing था, थोड़ा
And I
waxy.
don't like the neckline.
I mean, it's अच्छा मैं यहाँ
पता है कहीं कुछ हो जाता है. पता नहीं कहीं कुछ हो जाता है. मुझे नहीं समझ आता. और ये अभी से नहीं है, ये हमेशा से है. कहीं कुछ इनपुट आता है जहां पे कुछ गलत हो जाता है. और किसका इनपुट है मुझे नहीं पता वो. मुझे एक्चुअली अंदाजा है वो किसका इनपुट है, मगर मैं बोल नहीं रहा.
ओके. नेक्स्ट आप आ जाए उनके प्रीमियर लुक पे. प्रीमियर लुक पे भी उन्होंने अपना बलोची जो है बैकग्राउंड, उसको फिल्म की बलोची बैकग्राउंड को होमाज पे किया था. और दो artisans from Lyari actually had embroidered this outfit for her. So it was again well thought out. There was a lot of football imagery. There was Pakistan colors. Then there was पूरा उन्होंने फिल्म का लिखा हुआ था. उसका फिल्म का जो नाम है वो jersey of football was embroidered on the thing. Again,
Afsana Baloch.
that was her name in the film.
Oh, how lovely.
That's her name in the film.
How was the film? Did you watch it?
I wanted to go watch it, but unfortunately, it didn't get a lot of screens. कुछ जगह से उतर भी गई.
You know?
Not getting great reviews, pretty bad reviews. And I wanted to watch it, but the only show on at Newplex is रात को 10:30 बजे.
That's really sad.
That's sad, yeah. So, but anyway, back to her looks. Again, I appreciate that she's wearing ethnic. I appreciate that it's method dressing. But again, it can't be so literal. It can't be.
Yeah.
When you connect a good artisan to contemporary fashion and you do it in the right way.
There's nothing fashion in this, by the way.
That is when you create a memorable fashion look. To embroider a basic outfit, I understand, I appreciate the sentiment. It's not a fashionable look.
It is not, certainly not.
It's not. So all of us, we have to take our fantastic craft, Pakistani craft, and elevate it to that level where it can be appreciated internationally, globally. ऐसा नहीं लगे कि जैसे कि आप सिर्फ कढ़ाई कर रहे हैं लेकिन आप क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते फैशन को उसके साथ. है ना?
Bilkul, I agree, 100%.
So yeah, so good looks. I feel that they could have been styled better.
Average.
Yeah, they could have been. No, good sentiment behind the whole
Sentiment,
thought.
amazing.
Yeah.
But looks average.
Looks average. I wish that they had been more. Um,
I like your ring.
Thank you.
Wow.
2 rings. I wish there had been more fashion forwardness in the looks.